Hey everybody, Iceman 50. You can tell it's a beautiful day outside. So wanted to show you guys what I came up with. I designed another piece for the groms. So we'll show you what it is and how to install it. So just hang on a second and we'll get the camera turned around and we'll show you what we got going on. All right, hang on. All right, everybody. So what I've been working on is a cover plate for the horn. Our horn sits about like this, right in the front here. We'll show you. And what I came up with was a cover that just goes on with a few tiny pieces of sticky tape, silicone tape, nice stuff. And here's what it's gonna look like. You see that? So I was able to get the logo made in here, and it's just a cover. I've seen some stainless steel ones, and it comes down and it goes to the bolt here, which bolts it on. But I came up with something else. There's just a couple of pieces of sticky tape. It's clear. You peel that off, and then we're gonna put it on the bike. We'll put the horn on the bike and then just stick it on. I took my horn off because I needed to take dimensions from it, right? So let's get this set up and we'll get the horn back on here and we'll go from there. All right, hang on. All right, everybody. So we're just gonna get the horn back on here. Nice tighten, and then remember I said, we got the wires over here. So we'll verify that it works. I got my key here somewhere. Here we got the key. Just make sure that it works. Turn it on. Yep, it works. All right, so then we're gonna take off our little pieces of silicone tape. All right, everybody. So we got the horn back in place here, and then we're just gonna stick. You see, you can't really see them. There's little two pieces of silicone there, tape, and then we're just gonna stick it onto the horn. It's just the tape's just in two spots. All right. Let's give it a good squeezing. And it's on there. So, what do you guys think? You like it? I think it's pretty cool. You guys are interested, DM me on Insta. And the black, I can print them in black, but you won't really see them. So I'm recommending some other color besides black. But all right, guys, we'll see you on the next one, all right? Easy.